Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be very interesting for those of you that are interested in the roadmap of Chainlink and whether this coin can actually hit $1,000 per coin this year. All will be revealed, but before I start, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and as always smash the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date with all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own independent research. With that being said, pause the video, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group so you can stay up to date with all our recent updates, news updates, technical updates and much more. Now, Chainlink was one of those coins that we were super bullish on for 2021, and you guys would have remembered the first videos that we made at the start of last year. In fact, when we started producing cryptocurrency content on the YouTube channel, Chainlink was one of the first coins that we started updating on, and at that time price was around $10 to $11, maybe a bit lower. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, Chainlink had, in terms of fundamental data, they had an incredible year. Their partnerships, the things they achieved, but unfortunately, the technicals did not keep up with the fundamental data, and Chainlink only achieved around 75% in 2021. Now, some of you, maybe if you come from a stock background or even an FX background, or you're privy to investing, you're thinking 75%, that is incredible. But guys, this is a cryptocurrency space. We're spoilt for percentage gains, and you know, for us, even 500% on certain coins is a bad year, right? So that's just the thing with cryptocurrency. You know, the cryptocurrency space at the moment, anything less than 10x is mediocre basically. But anyway guys, so it did have at least it ended the year in a profit. However, 75% wasn't that impressive, especially as we anticipated Chainlink being one of the big winners for 2022, and it actually did slip back in terms of, you know, in terms of coins rankings. It slipped all the way, well, it's now back up to 20th, but it did slip below the top 20 in terms of market cap. The market cap for Chainlink is currently 11.7 billion. We believe this is severely undervalued. So 2021 fundamentals was great, but in terms of technicals and its actual growth and price wasn't that impressive in our opinion. But 2022 is the game changer. We believe Chainlink now's the time for Chainlink to prove itself basically. So if you guys look at the first post, if you go to the Chainlink Twitter page, the official Chainlink Twitter page, you'll first read, and I suggest you all watch this video. I may do a summary video of this as well. But this 2022 kickoff presentation highlights how Chainlink has come to secure over $75 billion planned for cross-chain interoperability using CCIP, the upcoming release of staking, and the use of Chainlink as an abstraction layer by Web2 and enterprises. So guys, give this a watch. Definitely give this a watch. You know, it will definitely make you a lot more bullish on this project, and it also gives you insight into, sometimes guys, it's kind of like Bitcoin at the start. I mean, how long did it take for Bitcoin to truly take off? If you look at Ethereum, same with Ethereum, right? Same with a lot of projects. So we can't just expect, you know, projects to take off immediately. This is, you know, this was only released in 2019, guys. So give it some time. Hopefully 2022 price can prove itself. So first, let's get into price analysis, and then I'll give you guys what you've all come and clicked on this channel for. So well done for making it this far, because you're going to get that 2022 price prediction. So let's get into it. So number one, as you guys can see, price found a lovely support at $20, and this is that support area here. We can see a nice double bottom pattern forming on the daily time frame. If we were to go to the weekly time frame, I guess the double bottom pattern is a lot clearer for everybody watching this, as you guys can see. And for those of you that are probably wondering what on earth is a double bottom pattern, this is basically a bullish pattern. It means that price should go up. It's a bullish indication, right? And these yellow lines that you guys can see, these things are our leverage trade positions. In fact, whilst we're on the topic of leverage trades, if you want to join our Crypto Crew community, where you can get access to our under the radar cryptocurrency gems, our 100x gems, our leverage trades, monthly webinars and more, click the link in my description and join our premium Telegram group, where we take you from where you are now to minimum 6 figures by March. If you're already on 6 figures, let's bring that to 7 figures by March. You have nothing to lose but everything to gain. Link in the description. But let's continue. So bullish patterns here. We should, in my opinion, should at least hit all-time highs by the end of Feb. We should hit all-time highs. I'm expecting a really bullish first quarter for Polkadot. Sorry, not Polkadot as well, but Chainlink. Whilst we're on the topic, I said that because I just did a Polkadot video. Definitely check that out, guys. But what could we see potentially this year? Now, I've already pulled out my fib extension. For some reason, it's already been deleted, and I factored in all the fundamental data that hasn't yet been realized. I factored in its price performance over the past 3 years. But more importantly, I focused on the 2021 price performance, and I've basically put a 5x multiple on that, right? So let's go up. Sorry guys, let me scroll down. Delete this. I hate when this happens on TradingView. Please fix this, guys, if you're watching. Let me delete this. There we go. Delete that. Okay, cool. Let's scroll down. Right, so I've got from where we are now. If you were to go up 500% from where we are now, let me just go up, which I believe Chainlink should do bare minimum this year. Honestly, guys, especially if the overall market is bullish. So this price prediction is contingent on a bullish market, right? If the market is bearish, then unfortunately, guys, we're not going to see a move on a Chainlink. In fact, it could even enter the red. So do keep that in mind. This is bull case scenario. So I've got conservative estimate 500%, so 75% poor performance last year. This minimum do 500% this year. In fact, if we're going to be pessimistic, because I know some of you guys are rolling your eyes at the moment, so let's even say 300%. 300%, we close in around $100, but conservative for me is that 500% move, which should be around $140, $144, $150 per coin. But the most bullish case scenario for me, really, and get ready for this, guys, most bullish case scenario for Chainlink in 2022, and this would essentially could potentially move Chainlink into the top 10, or maybe even top 5, but we're going to stick to top 10 for now. We're saying 1,000% gain, similar to what we saw with Cardano last year, and we enter $300 per coin, $300 to $330 per coin on Chainlink. $1,000. This is the most bullish case scenario. So this is us basically being not unrealistic, but everything will need to go right for $1,000 to happen this year on Chainlink. What does everything right mean? It means more positive fundamental data. It means super bullish crypto market. It also means Polkadot will need to move into the top 5 cryptocurrencies for this year. It also means this will need a lot of worldwide traction in terms of news, media, etc. So it's the most bullish case scenario, that $1,000 target. But for now, guys, the targets that I want you guys to focus on is, number one, your super conservative, pessimistic prediction, which is $100. I mean, that's 300%. It should happen easily. 500% is my conservative estimate, which is a 140. Let's call it 140. And then, of course, guys, our most bullish case, well, not most bullish, but bullish case scenario is about 1,000%, which is 300 to let's just call it 330 per coin for Chainlink, right? And for those of you that are watching this, I want to wish you all a happy new year once again. I hope all your dreams come true, but keep an eye on Chainlink because I believe this is going to be the year of the link, and we should finally see Chainlink do what it's capable of and taking off. And guys, for those of you that are still rolling your eyes, come on, Chainlink is valued at $11.7 billion. This is peanuts for a project like Chainlink. And just to remind you guys, let's just scroll down. What they announced on the 1st, again, please watch the video that they posted on the 1st of Jan. Guys, 7.75 billion. Chainlink has come to secure over $75 billion. Plans for cross-training, I mean, I don't need to say anymore. Watch the video, guys. Come to your own conclusion. But with that being said, seize the day.